Hey guys, welcome back to another amazing video. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can change Meta Business Suite back to Facebook Business Manager. So make sure to watch this video till the end and follow all the steps properly, and here we go. So first of all, open Meta Business Suite and create an account. If you already have an account, then log in using the credentials to follow along. After setting up your account on the website, you'll see an interface like this. If your ads manager opens up, then simply navigate to the left side menu and select all tools. And then select Facebook Business Manager Suite from there. When you click on it, you will be redirected to the Meta Suite side. In the new tab, you'll see that the interface has changed. That's because it's the Meta Suite. To change it back to Facebook Business Manager, simply click on the gear icon at the bottom left corner and settings will open up. Inside the settings tab, click on Profiles heading, then select Business Settings from the left side menu and you're done. And that's how you can change Meta Business Suite back to Facebook Business Manager. So that's all for today's video guys. Hope you liked the video. I'll be meeting you in the next one. See you soon. Bye.